Hello everyone, welcome to another video here on the World of Coasters. Today we are here in the Boulevard Hotel in Blackpool and going to be giving you a room tour of a standard, like executive room they call it, that's the standard rooms here. We are in room 417, which is on the top floor. Just want to say, the corridors in this place are very nice. I'm here with Louise as normal, and we're going to go into the room. So firstly, your room card reader is on the door, which I think is really cool. It's all very like, high tech here. It's a big step up from the Big Blue. It does cost a little bit more. So here is the room. Let's just get Louise in behind me. This hotel opened in 2019. We've been meaning to stay here for a while. However, it's very expensive.
Okay.
So
we did treat ourselves.
Yeah, we did treat ourselves. It is our anniversary. So let's start the room tour with what you can see when you come in. Is there a light here? Yes, there is. So as you come in on your left or right, depending on the room layout, you've got your places to hang your coats and a rack for your room service. Put your trays on. There is storage down here, which they've got a hair dryer. There is an ironing board and slippers. And you've got your Boulevard hotel robes, which you can actually buy these.
This will make Luke so happy.
There is a mini fridge, which means we can get milk for teas. Oh, Christ, they actually provide the milk. And water, that's very nice. You don't normally get that in a standard room. Down the bottom, safe, if you want to store anything. That's pretty cool, we'll have to set that up later. Let's have a look in the bathroom. So in the bathroom, it's very futuristic and high-tech, very white and clean. You've got your light-up mirror here. Oh my god! Hey! Nice panoramic mirror here with your sink. They provide soaps and all that sort of thing. So if you don't bring them, that's all sorted. It's just back here. I don't know the brand, but there you go. It looks fancy and nice. Got a few glasses and flannel should you need them. They provide you with a heated towel rail, which is currently off. Let's warm that up and get a towel in a minute. Toilet rolls, could be more, but you know, we can ask for more, I guess. Only gripe I have, viewers of the channel will know, square toilets. My bum is not square. I don't like them, but yeah. Shower looks like it's good. If it's anything to go off for the ones in the Big Blue Hotel, this is going to be very powerful and very nice. It's quite a small bath, so I don't think anyone will be having a bath in here. Maybe kids if you've got them. I imagine the higher up rooms have larger baths. Probably the suites have jacuzzi baths. You're peeping through the peephole. Peeping. If you want to lock the door, it's just here. So that's like to deadlock it. One thing that I forgot to mention out here as well is you've got air conditioning, which you can connect to the Bluetooth. Okay, but that's all like here. Just change it as so. Moving on in, bear in mind we just got in here, so I don't know where everything is. You've got a bed, which I think that's a king size bed. It's quite a large bed. It's definitely a step up from the Premier Inn bed we were in last night. But yeah, you've got your bedside tables with USB and sockets, which is good, because that's one gripe I have in a lot of hotels. There's not USBs or sockets next to both sides of the bed, which in the modern day you need for your phones and all that. They're obviously repeated on both sides, and it's got a very nice backboard. You've got a reading light down here, which is adjustable. I imagine it's on both sides. Pretty good, you know, you don't want to do your reading or blind your partner when it's in the middle of the night. There is a very nice theme in this hotel of like the pleasure beach, but it's done very sophisticatedly. So you got the Grand National here racing each other. There's a huge TV on the wall here. I'd probably say that's a 55-inch Samsung TV. Plenty of places to store your baggage. Over here you've got your tea and coffee facilities. Kettle is included in the room, and a small area to sort yourself out. The only thing I'd probably say is there's no mirror there to sit down and do your makeup at. Would you agree? Like, you got a full-size mirror here.
I probably just sit in the bathroom.
You got a full-size mirror here to check yourself before you go into the pleasure beach. But yeah, am I missing anything?
It's kind of hard.
It's quite a firm bed.
Some people might enjoy.
Oh, it'd be a good night's sleep. If it's anything to go off on the Big Blue. Anyway, being on the 4th floor, we got a bit of a room with a view. Maybe not the best view in the world, but as it goes, you can see the big one just out here. Obviously, the car park is below the big one. Parking here is £8 a day, which, when I'm paying for a hotel, I don't think I should be paying for parking as well. Like that is a private car park for the hotel, and it used to be that you paid parking if you booked for a third party site, but if you booked with them you didn't have to pay for parking. They changed that a couple of years ago, so you have to pay parking regardless. Now if you book third party you pay even more, but it's £8 a night, and yeah, it's a bit of a pain, but it's one of those things. So guys, if you like this video, by all means leave a like, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If we missed anything and you want to know, put it in the comments and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, and we'll see you in the Pleasure Beach.
Way.